Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Emma from Get Trained, Get Hired, where you can kickstart your career in accounting and taxation and get a job in Canada. If you guys are tired of wasting your money on lawyers and considering living Ontario is only the solution to get a job, then this video is for you. Please watch till end. Do you know approximately 70% of Canada's population lives in Ontario? Yes, that's a whole lot of people, right? And the exciting part that Ontario is the hotspot of job opportunities as compared to other provinces in Canada where you guys are thinking to move after spending your lot of money on your lawyers or your consultants. The reason why many Canadian immigrants are missing out on these job opportunities simply because they lack the necessary skills. Canadian employers are looking for those candidates who have the skills, who know how to make a real impact. The problem is not that you have no job, but lack of skills is the main cause. If you have no proper skills, then how you will adjust in your job and how the employer will think that you are the suitable candidate. So please stop being fooled and investing your money on lawyers just to get a solution to leave Ontario and move another province to find a job. If you have right skills under your belt, doors start open left right and you will be able to tackle all new challenges at your workplace. So if you are looking to enter into accounting and taxation field, our institution Get Trained, Get Hired is the best option. It is all about practicality. Our experienced instructor guide and ensure you gain practical knowledge and hand-on experience. Our courses are specifically designed to enhance your knowledge and equip you with the skills that Canadian employers are actively seeking for. So do not miss out the incredible opportunity and invest in yourself and secure your bright future. Visit our website gettrainedgethired.com or call us now. The number is in description below. Enroll yourself in our courses and take a first step towards your bright future. If you like the video, then please subscribe our channel and don't forget to share it with your friends.